22-foot ensign, basically going to be full restore, refab. We're going to be pulling all these bunks out interior, including this bulkhead. You can see the wood here is a bit punky, so we decided just to go ahead and replace it. We've moved all the hardware on the deck here. We're going to smooth all this out, put a new non-skid. There's a series of cracks all over the place. We're going to have to Dremel all these out. Now fill in glass and do all that. Repaired this already. Gotta give that a good sand. So we're going to be repainting this whole thing. Normally we would use gel coat. It was just kind of a little far gone, and also just for the sake of time, we're going to use all grip. Going to be respraying this. We're going to primer everything and put a new red. We got this one spot in the bottom that's a pretty nasty crack. You can see here. I'm gonna have to grind that out. New glass there. On that bottom, it's been in pretty good shape. Hole is in pretty good shape. And when we're done, it'll be in better shape.